Myself Rudy Modi from first year BPT. I am going to explain you about electricity transmission. Electric power transmission is the process in the transfer of electricity power to consumers from one location to another. Transfer of electrical power stations to industrial, commercial or residential area is necessary without interruption of flow to maintain normal lifestyle. Transmission of electricity normally takes place at high voltage, that is more than 110 kilowatt. Electricity transmission is further divided into high voltage transmission system and low voltage transmission system. Power loss, but the distribution of high voltage lines can be proved in generation. Power station contains one or more generators, rotating machine that converts mechanical power into three phases electrical power. The relative motion between a magnetic field and a conductor creates an electric current. Most power station burns fossil fuels such as coal, oil and natural gases to generate electricity. Low carbon power sources include nuclear power and use of renewables such as solar, wind and geothermal and hydroelectric. Transmission. Power transformers are electrical instruments used in transmitting electrical power from one circuit to another without changing the frequency. They operate by the principle of electromagnetic induction. They are used in transmitting electric power between generators and distribution in primary circuits. This is the machinery used for the transmission of electricity. And industrial consumers. The commercial sector includes government facilities, service providing facilities and equipment, and other public and private organizations. Industrial customers, facilities and equipment use electricity for processing, producing and assembling goods including such as diverse industries and manufacture, mining, agriculture and construction. This is construction consumers. The operation of the building accounted for the 30% of the global final energy consumption and 27% of energy sector emissions, totally 18% being directed emissions in building and 19% indirect emissions from the production of electricity and heat is used in the buildings. This is commercial and industrial consumers like factories, and this is construction consumers on the construction sites. Distribution. Electrical transmission is the process of delivering generated electricity usually over a long distance to the distribution grid located in populated areas. An important part of this process includes transformers, which are used to increase voltage levels to make long distance transmission feasible. Sixth is residential consumers. Household electricity consumption is the total amount of electrical energy used by all the appliances that we use. There will be household electricity supply specification that shows how much power is consumed by the device used at home. Home appliances which uses electricity.